problem. I'll go and get help. Stan, you could stay here and try to coax him down. Back soon!
Right, come on, Mandy. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Meow! Maybe we better just wait for Ollie. Don't you worry, Meg. Royston will have little Crockett safely down in no time.
Oh, I do hope so.
Oh, that's it. Come on down now. Good little kitty.
You've done it, Royston. Well done!
Ha! Yay, me! Royston, the red fire engine, helps his friend as much as he can.
Oh, Crockett!
Sorry, I got a bit excited.
It's OK, Meg. I'll catch him, I promise. Oh, come on, Crockett. I'm not trying to hurt you. Slow down, please. Oh, I'll never be able to do this. I can't climb and jump like a cat.
Ah, but Ollie, to catch a cat, you've only got to think like a cat. Yes?
Yeah. Meow. I'm a cat, and a cat likes chasing mice. No cats here. Goodbye, mice. Meow. I'm a cat, and a cat likes milk. No cats here either. I'm a cat, and a cat likes sleeping.
Ow, Ollie! Have you got my precious little Crockett?
No, Meg, I haven't got Crockett. But since cats love sleeping, I have a good idea where he might be.
Oh.
Where?
There!